An out full eating video.
Ooh.
Yep. What was that?
I don't know.
That was kind of scary. So good. Girl, I started Love Island. Man, when I tell you I'm hooked, I just caught up until like episode 20 in like 2 days.
You just need to know what happens.
Yeah, I need to know what's happening. Because what I see on TikTok, I'm not caught up, and I'm like, how did that even happen? If you're watching Love Island, are you caught up? And if you were, who's your favorite character? Or person? I'm gonna throw hands with you right now. I hate Ace. Like, get that man out of my screen. He is a hater. Ugh. Every time he's on the screen, I get mad. He says other people are scamming. He's the scammer. I saw people saying him and Shelly were dating before, and they came in together to try to like win the money.
Oh, really?
Yeah, conspiracy theory. I could see that though. Next bite. I hope my phone doesn't overheat.
Hot.
It's super hot today. But right now, we're booked and busy today.
Yeah.
Right now, I have an appointment for my lips to get them dissolved.
In 20 minutes.
In 20 minutes. We're
And
running.
30 minutes away.
We're running late. I told them though, because I wanted to film this video before I got them dissolved because I knew it was gonna hurt. So we'll see. Last time I went to get them dissolved, she put so little, it didn't do anything, and she still charged me $200.
Damn.
I literally love In-N-Out. It's so good. Oh, that's a lot of sauce. How was yours?
Their fries are good. Today.
I don't know why I feel like I never really get that full with In-N-Out.
I do.
You do?
Yeah. Is that a triple?
Double. Guys, if you want to see more of me, I've been posting a lot on my second account. I'll tag it. I've been posting like 2 times every day. I'm actually having so much fun on there. It's like other things other than eating. I posted my whole cruise on there. Hairstyles, makeup, vlogs, outfit videos, everything, huh? So if you want to see, please check it out. And we're about to hit 3 million friends on here. So crazy. I'm so excited. I want to throw a celebration.
You say you're gonna throw a meeting group?
No, a celebration.
Oh.
I feel like it's been so long since I filmed. I don't even know how to do this anymore.
When was it? Last week?
When
we first got back, huh?
Yeah. You guys, I'm having cruise withdrawals.
I know, every 10 minutes, I want to be on a cruise.
Like, I'm so close to just booking another one before summer ends. It's just like the best time of your life. For me, at least. What about you?
For me too. So it's
Not
like,
a worry in the world.
yeah.
Your only worry is making it to the next activity. What drink you're gonna get.
What drink?
Where you're what you're gonna eat, because there's so many options. Ugh. Cruise life is the best life, and I'll die on that hill. I think this might be my last bite. I can one bite it, I think. I really do not want to get myself dirty.
White shorts.
I'm wearing white shorts and a really cute outfit.
And we're going to the movies tonight.
We're gonna watch F1. There's like cheese in my teeth.
Yeah, we got something. We know we got cheese in your teeth.
You got cheese in your
You're
teeth.
cheese teeth master.
Yeah, we're gonna see F1. I've seen mixed reviews about it. Some people say they were sat, and some people said it was the most boring thing and they fell asleep.
Oh shit. Looks like it's an expensive nap for you.
I think it just depends on...
What you like.
They said it depends on how much of an F1 fan you are.
Yeah, but if I hope it's just like a good story.
Yeah, we'll see. Ooh, which fries should I eat?
Do it any, many, many more.
These ones look more saucy. It's fry time. It's fry time. These look really good. I didn't get a whole grilled onion this time. I was just feeling the OG fries. So let's see. I can do a bigger bite than that. There we go. Guys, they're not crusty. Were your fries crusty?
Yeah, it had some crunch.
Really?
That's why I said they're so
Oh,
good.
I love these. They're like soggy.
Ew.
I like soggy fries.
Manga?
Wanga. Wow, this is 10 out of 10. The whole, I will say they do taste better with the whole grilled onion. Whoa. Ah. Wow. Damn, I just went in on those fries.
It's because the grilled onion has so much flavor. On that grill and all the grill.
Yeah. Because I had only been getting it with a whole grilled onion. Now after coming back, these are good, but the whole grilled onion just...
Imagine taking our order like whole grilled onion, whole grilled onion.
Yeah, we get like a bunch of whole grilled onions all over our stuff. I love salt, you guys. There's probably something wrong with me.
Oh.
I put salt on everything. I know that must mean I'm deficient in something. Like the amount of salt I eat, right?
And you even put salt in your cereal.
No, I don't.
Oh.
Okay, we're about to hit 10 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope we hit 3 million friends soon.